Welcome to my mom's kitchen. Today we are here with a very simple and quick, yummy dish combo that we enjoy as a family that is just superb. Savoury rice pancakes that is gluten-free. Very quick compared to the traditional appams. So let's get going. Come on guys. To start with, we are taking 2 cups of rice. You can take any rice, Idly or Basmati. Wash the rice really well and leave it to soak. You need to soak the rice for at least 4 hours or overnight. As always, our little handy helper is there to do the garlic.
Okay, Mom. Thank you.
Moving to our next step, strain the water from the rice and add the rice into the blender. Next, add 2 cloves of garlic, 1 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 can of evaporated milk that is around 400 ml, and blend it into a smooth paste. Transferring into a bowl. In the same way, grind rest of the soaked rice with the rest of the evaporated milk. You may find the batter a bit thinner, but that's alright. You'll see. The next important ingredient to add is 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast and 2 tablespoons of sugar to activate the dry yeast. Mix it really well and cover and leave it to ferment. Now here's a tip or something that we normally do to fast forward the process of fermenting the batter quicker. Place it in the microwave with the proofing option for about 2.5 hours or just leave it for overnight. While that is fermenting, let's make the Kerala style chicken stew. For it into a pan, we are adding 2 tablespoons oil. Any oil is fine. Next goes 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait it till it splutters. Now we are adding 2 sliced onions and cook it till it turns translucent. And to cook it faster, we are sprinkling some salt. Mix it again and let it cook through. Now it's time to add 2 tablespoons chopped ginger and garlic. Cook it till the raw flavor goes. Save for a minute or 2. Next goes 1 or 2 slit green chilies. You can plus minus as you like. 1 or 2 curry leaves and a quick mix again. Now add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons coriander powder, and roast the masala for a minute. Time to add the chicken. We have taken 1 kilogram chicken bone in. Mix it well so all of it gets coated well on the chicken. Cover and leave to cook for 10 minutes. Time to check. Look at that, the juice has filled in. Just smells so good already. Now add 2 carrots sliced thickly and 3 to 4 chunky cut potatoes. Mix it well again. remember we had added salt earlier, so taste and add just the required salt and mix again. Cover and cook for another 15 minutes or more, depending on the size of the veggies. While it's still cooking, let's have a little check. It's been 10 minutes. Time to move on to the next step. Looks good. Now we will add 1/4 cup of water and mix it again. Now goes on 1 can of evaporated milk and stir in the milk well. If you don't have it, then add 1 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of fresh cream. That will also work really well. Just for a minute, cover and cook again. Now we will finally add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala powder, 1 tablespoon crushed fennel seeds, and a handful of chopped coriander. Mix it well and that's it. So simple and quick. Now back to our batter. Look at that, it's all puffed up, nice and airy. I told you that the batter is not thin. See, it is thickened. Nice. Into the batter we will add 1 or 2 teaspoons salt and mix the batter thoroughly. The batter is ready to hit the pan. To cook the pancake, pour a ladle full of batter onto the pan and cook for about a minute or 2. It's time to flip. And cook for another 30 seconds. That's it! Our gluten-free savory rice pancake or appam is ready to pair. Wow, that's just too good. This time, me and my sister enjoyed the pancake and stew in our backyard, and that was good too. And that's it for now. We'll be back again soon. Goodbye. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to try.